Welcome students. In the next class, this is the second class. In the previous class, you were taught the meaning of accounting as well as the meaning of accountancy. Today students, we are going to discuss the next topic of this chapter, that is accounting process. Accounting process. Process includes a series of action steps while doing any work. Process means जब हम अकाउंटिंग करते हैं तो कुछ स्टेप्स होते हैं. Some steps we have to take. We have to take some actions. We have to take some steps. The sum of these all steps is called process. Now we are going to learn what are those steps which make accounting, so that we can call it accounting process. Now students, come here. In the previous class we have already discussed the financial transactions or event. Those business event or activities which are economic in nature, make it point, economic in nature, are called financial transactions. Economic nature means those transactions which can be measured in the terms of money. In the monetary terms you can measure, called financial transactions. Like getting down the value of any asset, purchasing goods, selling goods, paid wages, purchase machinery. All these transactions can be measured in the terms of money and are of financial in nature, economic in nature. That's why we call it financial transactions or events. After identifying these types of transactions, we record them. Recording. This is the second step of the process of accounting. Recording. This all the transactions are recorded in these journal or primary books. These are called primary books. Primary, where the first time the transactions are recorded according to their nature. These are called primary books. First recording takes place here. Journal. Journal. Here the journal entries are passed for the transactions. Cash book. Here all the cash basis transactions are recorded. Cash basis transactions are recorded in the cash book. Purchase book. Here all those transactions which are related to goods and on credit basis are recorded. Purchase return book. The credit purchases, when the goods purchased by you on credit basis are returned by us to our creditors. These transactions are recorded in purchases return book. And just same sales book, credit sale is recorded here. When the credit sale returned back, bills payable account, bills receivable account, and journal proper. When remaining transactions means after recording these types of transactions, when some transactions are left, these are recorded in the journal. ट्रांजेक्शंस होती हैं, उन ट्रांजेक्शंस की नेचर के अकॉर्डिंग हम कुछ कैश से रिलेटेड ट्रांजेक्शंस कैश बुक में, क्रेडिट और परचेज से रिलेटेड जो गुड्स की हैं परचेज बुक में, जो गुड्स क्रेडिट बेस पर हमने परचेज की थी और वापस कर रहे हैं परचेज रिटर्न बुक, जो हमने माल उधार बेचा सेल्स ऑन क्रेडिट सेल्स बुक, जो हमने उधार सेल की और वो वापस आ गई गुड्स हमारी सेल्स रिटर्न बुक. ऐसे ही बिल्स पेबल होते हैं कुछ बेटा, बिल्स रिसीवेबल्स और जर्नल प्रॉपर. This is the recording and these all books are called primary books. डिटेल में हम इसको नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स में पढ़ेंगे. पूरी बुक में फिर आपका एक इसके लिए सेपरेट चैप्टर है. कैश बुक, परचेज बुक है, उसमें सब्सिडी बुक्स का है, ये सब्सिडी बुक का चैप्टर है. बिल्स रिसीवेबल, बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज का एक चैप्टर है आपका पूरा, और उसमें जर्नल प्रॉपर भी. तो ये हम एक चैप्टर वाइज फिर पढ़ेंगे. एक जर्नल का चैप्टर अलग है, तो ये डिटेल में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट, रिकॉर्डिंग. After recording, with the help of these primary books, we classify the transactions, means similar nature's transactions are recorded at a particular place called ledger, means account means account. For example, purchase table, purchase sofa set, purchase chair, purchase almirah, showcase, etc. We are not going to record these all transactions in different accounts. We are giving a particular head means heading, that is furniture account. Furniture account means all the related transactions are recorded under a particular head, that is called account, are also called ledgers. चेयर परचेज की, फर्नीचर परचेज किया, फर्नीचर में चेयर, टेबल, सोफा, शोकेस, whatever you are purchasing to be recorded in the furniture account. Particular head क्या दिया हमने सबको, फर्नीचर. ऐसे ही आप परचेज करना चाहते हैं पेन, पेंसिल, शार्पनर, इरेजर, व्हाइटनर, स्केल, नोटबुक्स, बुक्स, अलग अलग रिकॉर्ड ना करके हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, स्टेशनरी. और क्या कहलाएगा बेटा वो, स्टेशनरी अकाउंट. अकाउंट को हम यहां शॉर्ट फॉर्म में इस तरीके से शो कर देते हैं, स्टेशनरी अकाउंट. पेन, पेंसिल, शार्पनर, इरेजर, व्हाइटनर, व्हाटएवर यू आर परचेजिंग is to be written in the name of stationery. That is the particular head which we are going to give these all the types of transactions called account, means ledger. This is the classification of all the transactions which are similar in nature. Next example I can give you, car account. For example, you are purchasing Alto, BMW, Mercedes, whatever. You are not going to open the different accounts or ledger. All these are similar in nature. These are called a car. That's why we are opening car account. Under a particular head, in a particular place, all the related items or transactions are recorded. Is called account. That is a ledger. तो हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, ये जो जर्नल में आपने पहले रिकॉर्डिंग की, यहां से अलग अलग ट्रांजेक्शन्स को डेट वाइज हम उठाते हैं और एक पर्टिकुलर हेड के अंदर लिखते हैं जो लेजर कहलाती हैं. तो कह लेते हैं कि ये पोस्टिंग हो रही है प्राइमरी बुक्स से सेकेंडरी बुक्स में. ये सेकेंडरी बुक्स कहलाती हैं आपकी. ये सेकेंडरी बुक्स कहलाती हैं बेटा. तो सेकेंडरी बुक्स में आप पोस्टिंग कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर दैट जब आपने लेजर्स बना ली तो आपको पता है बेटा, आपने different types of cars you purchase, but now with the help of the car account you are going to calculate the balance of car. Different articles you have purchased of furniture, but finally you want to know the balance of furniture, the balance of cash, the balance of land and building, the balance of bank, and the balance of all the liabilities, the balances of expenses and incomes, and these balances are recorded in trial balance. All these balance of all assets, liabilities, expenses, and revenues, incomes are recorded in trial balance in a systematic way. That is called, you are preparing summary. Now you want to know the balance only. You are not interested to know the transactions, whatever these were. Then, with the help of trial balance, we prepare trading account and profit and loss account. This helps us to know the profit as well as the loss for a particular period of time. After that, we prepare the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, we record all the liabilities and the assets, and internal liability also, which expresses a financial position of the business. Internal liability is called capital. Yesterday I gave you the example. In the balance sheet you are recording the assets of rupees 5 lakh and the liabilities, external liabilities of rupees 4 lakh. It means the difference between these two figures is 1 lakh rupees. That is your capital. It is showing your financial position. Only 1 lakh. 1 lakh is capital invested by the owner. It is the internal liability of the business for the businessman. On the other hand, we can say, if you are having the assets of rupees 3 lakh, but you are not having any external liability, then 3 lakh is the capital. Internal liability, it shows the financial strength. Means with the difference of the assets and liabilities, we calculate the financial position. After that, all the informations are analyzed and are put in a systematic way so that the users of accounting information can make a judgment systematic way. In a systematic way, a judgment is prepared that what is the profit is being, it is increasing or decreasing, what is the actual financial position. Many analyzations are done. After doing these types of analyzations, all the informations, necessary informations, profits, losses, financial positions, cash flow positions, funds flow positions are communicated to the accounting users. Is it clear? This is the accounting process. My dear students, I have taught you this topic in detail, but you have to just remember only the name of these, because the details we are also going to learn in the next chapters. Thank you.